All right, so this video is on interpreting the results in Pearson's correlation in Jamovi. If you need to see how to do this test, you can go to previous videos. You can see here that I have the test conducted. And just to remind you, we're looking for a positive relationship here. So I have it set in Jamovi to do a positive relationship that we're investigating. So here we have our correlation matrix results, and we're just looking at the relationship between two variables here. And so there's some important information we need to look at. For Pearson's R, we would report our R statistic. And so again, we would round, so it's negative 0.11. We have 33 degrees of freedom, which is the sample size minus 2. We would report our p-value, and the p-value here is 0.73. Which is very large, so we're going to fail to reject our null hypothesis. And then we also have our confidence interval, and this is for R. So the confidence interval, I think the way to think about it is that we're talking about a range of likely values for the population around our value that we found. So we found an R value of negative 0.11. And so basically this is telling us that it's really likely that in the population, we would find a relationship between these variables of between negative 0.38 and positive 1, which is like all over the place. So this tells you it's another way of looking at this idea of significance. So instead, you're looking at these likely values, this range of likely values. So we don't know if we're looking at a positive relationship or a negative relationship. And if when that confidence interval crosses 0, the way that it does here, where it goes from positive to negative, that means that it's not going to be statistically significant. So this is the main part of the results for the correlation matrix for Pearson's R. When you write them out in APA style, which is the next video, you will want to report the mean and standard deviation of each variable. And so you can do that using exploration. You can always go to videos on descriptive statistics if you need some help with that. And I will see you in the next video.